Hello everyone. So in this series of MS Excel, we will learn about the text functions today, which I have written over there. Like first is proper function, proper text function, upper, lower, left, right, middle, length, and trim function and concatenate function. We will learn these functions in more detail. I will apply every function here and will let you know about the how these functions work. So I have written here the names, and you can see there are unnecessary spaces between the words or before and after the words. So the trim function is used to remove the unnecessary spaces between the words, before the word or after the word. So we will apply here trim function is equal to trim. These are very simple functions. Only you have to apply the function, then select the text and then close bracket and then we will press enter. So we can see here the unnecessary spaces are removed. Before the word Shivani and after the word Arora, the spaces are removed. Then we will see how to apply the proper function. These are very simple functions and only we have to apply the function using the syntax of the function. What is a proper function works? When I will apply the proper function, then the word which I have written is Shivani09 space Aurora. It will come in the proper proper way, like the first alphabet of the letter of every word is capital and rest other alphabets will be small. And in the same way, if like two or more than two words are written, then the first letter of the alphabet is capital and rest others are small. So I will apply here proper function is equal to proper. Then I'll open the bracket. Then I'll select here, close the bracket, and then enter. So I got this in the proper way, like first alphabet of the letter is capital, and then others are small. And in the same way, the second word Aurora is capital and rest others are small. Now I will apply upper function. Upper function, we will apply like I will write upper, then open the bracket. Upper means all the letters of the alphabet will be in the capital letters. So I'll select this and then I'll close the bracket, enter. So every alphabet of the letter is in the capital form. In the same way, when I'll apply lower bracket open, then I'll select this. I'll close the bracket. So every alphabet of the letter or word will be lowercase, like this. Every alphabet of the word is lowercase. And now next function is length function. And the short form of this is len. So when I'll apply the length function is len, then I'll open the bracket. Then I'll select the text. Then I'll close the bracket. So what the length function does, it will select the length of the letters. It will select the length of the alphabet and it will count the space as well. So when I will press enter, then I'll got 18. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The space, it will also count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this space is also there, 16, 17, 18. So it will calculate the length of the words, and it will count space as well. And if you don't want to calculate the length here, because we are confused between the spaces, we cannot count the spaces. So we can apply the length function as len, and we can select the text as this, because there is no unnecessary spaces between them. So I will select this and I'll close the bracket. So we can get the length of the word. So we got 15, right? Because the 7 letters are there in the word Shivani, then 8, 9, and this is space 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we got the length as 15, because only one space is there between 0, 9 and 8. Now we can drag drop, and then we will get same for every column. Now I can drag drop it. And also do that, drag drop. Sorry, we cannot drag drop this, because uh, I have taken proper for this, which was imperfect, because there is unnecessary spaces over there. So we will apply the other functions on the trim functions, which is already trimmed and there is no unnecessary spaces between them. So I'll select the already trimmed function. So I'll got here Shivani 09 Arora. Now I will uh, drag it down. So I'll got this with a proper form and with no unnecessary spaces. Now we will apply upper trim function is equal to upper. Then I'll select the text which is already trimmed, because it will create unnecessary problems that we have seen in the previous. Now I will drag drop it. We will get it for everyone. Now lower. I'll select the text which is already trimmed. Then enter. Then we can drag it down. Drag drop down. And a length we have already calculated for the trimmed function, which was already trimmed. So to avoid unnecessary spaces, and in that case, we can easily drag drop it, and we will got the length of every trimmed function. Now the next functions are left, right, middle, and concatenate, which are also a form of the text functions. So here I have written Simran and Aruna. So we can use the left function, like we have to apply this left function, and this is very easy because we have to apply the function simply like left is equal to left, and I'll select Simran, then I'll close the bracket, then enter. So I'll got the first left letter of the word Simran, which is S. And if I will select, if I want to, if I want three left alphabets of the letter, like if I want Sim, then I will write here is equal to left, Then I'll select the text Simran, comma, 3. If I want left 3 alphabets of the letters, so enter. So I'll got sim. In the same way, we can write is equal to right. If I select this Simran, then I'll got N. But if I want to write 3 letters of the alphabet, so I'll write here right. I'll select here comma 3, then close the bracket, enter. So I'll got run. If I want middle, sorry, mid mid of Simran. So first I'll select, sorry, comma, comma 2. And so I'll got IM because I have written 2 comma 2 means the middle 2 comma 2 I have written, so I got the IM. If I apply left function on Aurora, then I'll got A. If I will apply the right function, so right function on the text Aurora, then I'll got is equal to right. I'll select the text Aurora, then I'll close the bracket, then I'll press enter. Is equal to right. I'll got RA. The last two numbers of this. And if we want to use the concatenate function, then I'll apply the formula as concatenate. Text 1 is Simran, text 2 is Aroda, and then I'll close bracket. So it will both the letters will come together. So I'll got Simran Aroda. But what you have seen here is there is no space between Simran and Aroda. So if you want to put a space between them, then we can apply the concatenate function. Concatenate. Then I'll apply bracket. Here I will write Simran, comma, double quotes open, double quotes closed. Then I'll apply here, enter. Concatenate text 1, comma, then double quotes, comma. I'll select here. Then I'll close the bracket. Then I'll close the bracket and then press enter. So there is a space between Simran and Aruna. What I have applied in the formula is the double quotes, and if you want to give the space between them, then we have to put the double quote space so that there will be a space created between both the letters. So that's all for the today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if any mistake happens or any misunderstanding happens, then please let it go.